welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna review, like the title you see down there, the new KatvondD 24-hour super brow long wear pomade. This is in the color Magenta. So we're gonna review it and we're gonna see how it's gonna work. I paid for this, oh Lord, I believe it was like $19. I got it from her website. They have a lot of different colors, and of course I got Magenta because that is my hair color right now, you know. So we're gonna see how it works. We're gonna try it out, how it feels, the texture and all that. So let's get to the video. With this brush that I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills, it's in number 14. This is the one I have, so you can use whatever you have at your house, okay? And I'm just gonna do my brows like I normally do. Yeah, we're not gonna go crazy about it. Just gonna see how it's gonna work. So using my spoolie, the spoolie of this brush, I'm gonna put all my hairs up. And this is how I do it. I don't know how you guys do it, but this is how I do it. And I'm gonna draw a line here. Oh, wow. You know, to be a color brow, this is very pigmented and the texture is very soft, so you don't really have to use a lot of product. So let's keep building this up. Okay, I'm gonna start with the tail first, and this is how we do it. I love this color, it's cutie. By the way, I'm using her highlighter again and her palette again. I just had to for this video. So we're gonna go soft in this part right here. We don't want this to be too harsh or too bold. Oh well, I think I'm loving this right now. If you mess up, we can clean it back later. But I believe we have to be careful with this, because I believe that if you do it exactly how you do with the brown pomade, it's gonna get messed up. So let's see. I hope I don't mess up. We're gonna draw some hair strokes right here, just like that. Let me just get closer to you so you can see me. Okay, so far I love it. You know, I always wanted to try colorful eyebrow, and when I saw this, I went crazy. I was like, oh my god, I need to get it, this is so amazing. Oh, and I went crazy and I got all the products. I get so excited when I buy some new makeup. It's like a child with her first toy. I don't know why. Do you guys get like that also, or it's just me? I don't know, but I'm weird. Maybe it's just me. Okay. Alright, this is not bad. we're gonna do the other one, and if we see anything that we need to fix, we're gonna fix it. You can still see my hairs, but it's alright, kids. Maybe if it was a little more darker, it would be good. But let me see if I can put a little bit more, and that will work. Oh, I guess it's just like that. Alright. I mean, I'm not complaining. You know. Maybe it's the color. I like it. I love it. Like I did before, we're gonna pull our hairs up so you can see the line of your natural eyebrows. And I'm gonna draw the line. We're gonna use the concealer to fix this baby here who is not helping me. So using a concealer brush, you're gonna just take a little bit in your brush because you don't know how this gonna work. I don't know how this gonna work, so you can clean the mess you made. Okay, so just tap in here. I'm gonna use a brush and I'm gonna blend that. I'm gonna blend that out. Actually, this pomade is really good. I'm gonna use this a little more since I have, you know, pink hair. And if I decide to change my hair color again, I'm gonna get the other color, of course. If you guys got it, give me your thoughts about this one. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.